Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a new marking ability which was added to Advisor 5.0 called Don't Mark Segments. When planning a saw plane, you might have some critical areas where the polish is very close to the saw plane. In such a case, we would like to protect the polish and avoid the marking of those areas. In addition, there are cases where the saw plane overlaps cavities in the rough, and the marking might generate damage to the polish. In Advisor 5.0, you can manually define a segment which won't be marked during the burning process. Let's see an example. I have planned 3 polished stones in this rough, and I have 2 saw planes. If I will select the Mark Full option for this saw plane, you will be able to see that the plane is very close to the girdle of the blue round shape. Marking the saw plane in this area might leave marking signs on the final polish. I would like to protect my stone, so I will define a segment on the plane adjacent to the polish girdle which won't be marked. To do so, I will right-click the saw plane and I will select the Add Don't Mark Segment menu item. As you can see, 2 purple arrows appear on the saw plane. Note that the mouse cursor changed its state to a cross while hovering over the arrows. In this mode, I can drag each arrow and define the segment location and its length. You can define several segments on each marking object, like saw planes or the polish girdle. To edit an existing segment, simply rotate the stone to face you and click it. Any other action will deselect the current segment. If I will right-click the saw plane again, a menu will open. I can now select whether to add another segment or delete it. Segments can be removed in 3 ways. Delete segment will delete only the selected segment. Delete all stone segments will delete all the segments in the stone. And delete all current object segments will delete all the segments of the current selected plane. Note the red indication, which means that the laser will not burn the line in this segment. You can also perform the opposite operation. You can define a marking segment, which means you want to mark only specific areas. To do so, go to the Options dialog. Select the Marking tab and choose Use Mark Segment. From now on, right-clicking the saw plane will allow you to define marking segments instead of Don't Mark Segments. Thanks for watching this tutorial.